Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 27th of May 2015. The trade for the day is called Billiton or BIL, and the last traded price was 254.96. The action on this trade was to do a sell or a short, meaning from a high to a low level. Entry level will be 258 and 5 cents is on the grey line, and the target on the trade will be on the green line of 247.73. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 263.21 cents. Looking at the current open trades at this moment, it's ITU, CML, Bidvest, Shoprite, Remgro. Trades that's been closed yesterday is AGL. It appeared on the 26th of May and it was closed on the 26th of May. Now, as we expected after this sideways market on the top 40 JSE, you will see the blue line is indicating the index price, and basically it's now trading underneath the red and the blue after a lot of uncertainty took place on the specific market. And yesterday a bit of a sell-off, a huge sell-off basically happened on this market, and basically now you can see the blue line is trading far underneath the red and the blue line. Now that was a sell-off that basically happened due to, it was said, the Federal Reserve said basically interest rate hikes needs to happen, and now the fear is back onto the market, causing a lot of volatility. Looking at the Dow Jones itself, how they closed on Tuesday evening, they closed 190 points negative from that level to this blue line here, also breaking this positive channel that was there downwards. So a lot of support is currently taking place here on the 18,000 level now. They actually closed in 18,045 points. The futures are a bit positive, not a lot. Our future JSE top 40 futures are a bit negative, about 108 points negative. The Europeans are a bit flat, and the German market's a bit positive. So as you can see, there's a lot of uncertainty. And on the European side, Greece bailout, they cannot be funded. Also caused a bit of fear on their market of a bit of a sell-off yesterday of almost 43 points on their index, and that's almost 0.6%. Let's go and look at the J200 itself, how it actually completed, and look at this. There was my sideways pattern, broke the bottom of the side pattern on the support on the blue line, and it actually broke down yesterday. It actually fell almost 928 points. It's a huge movement of about almost 2% on our market, indicating that this 61.8% on the Fibonacci is the next support level of 46,779 points, and it's currently trading at 46,916 points. So we close to that support level as we sit here, 109 points negative on the JSE futures, and if we can go another 100 points down, we can get most probably support there. The only thing that's driving the market is the fundamentals, and it does have an effect on the technical analysis in the short term. Let's go and look at some shares. Here's the Shoprite. Didn't actually do anything yesterday. It was down 60 points, still in the support level here between the green and this green bottom and the top here. So looking at Woolies, yesterday it came down from this high, almost R1.91, 1.9% down after the market started to fall down as well. Looking at Mr Price, still trading to the side, and as you can see, this has got a lot of support at 248.93 on the high and 241.11 at the bottom here. So this one is also, the retailers are trading a bit to the side, came a bit down but not a lot. Looking at the banking shares, now the banking shares did react a lot to this market movement. A share like Barclays Bank, as you can see, came down almost R4.22 or 2.3%, testing the previous lows here, as well as this low on the red line here as well. So you can see the volatility playing out here. Standard Bank also started to fade down in this negative red line channel here. And the banks actually moved more negative than the retailers did. And if you look at your Investex, also lost a lot of value from the 119 coming back to the 115. Now basically what you can do here, I'm just going to change this to a green color on the positive channel, and you can basically see it's going to test this bottom now. So there's the bottom of this channel. At any time, if it breaks this 115 or 113 levels, more downside could be due back to the under 110 rand levels in the short term. Let's go and look at the MTNs. Now MTN did react to this negative news as well, went down 1.6% or 357, still in this negative channel going downwards. Looking at Vodacom, lost a lot of momentum, down 1.85 for the day, so the momentum is still downwards. Telkom also broke that support level we had there, and basically this is indicating that there's momentum coming down on this specific share as well now due to this news. So look at that breakdown at 71.69, breaking down. Didn't break the 75 upwards, but rather downwards in the big market movement on the fear of the Americans as well. Now let's go to the Exaros. Exaros is still trading here at 86 Rand, and we need to see what the momentum will start doing in this negative momentum. And CFR also lost a bit of momentum from the high, currently getting support at 106.78, trading at 106.81. So next support level is close to the 105. If broken, more downside back to the 100 Rand level, definitely on the share. So there's a lot of things to be looked at, especially in this market. Keep a close eye on any movement in the future, but the futures will indicate us where direction could be. Enjoy trading.